Hello everyone, we're from MGM4197 Management Information System, Group 9. And today we are going to presentation about UCAM libraries CCTV. And our presentation has 6 parts. And also, our group have 5 members. My name is He Yu. My metric number is 201656. I'm going to presentation about first part, background of UCAM library. Firstly, UCAM library was established with the establishment of UCAM on 18th May 1970 in Lambapenta, Kuala Lumpur. And UCAM library is located in the southeast of UCAM, close to the Faculty of Economics and Management. The owner of UCAM library is Hazara H. Zana. The UCAM library has a total of 60 employees, responsible for administration, revenue generation, procurement, customer service, and multimedia. For the types of services produced of UCAM library are develop and manage information resources to meet the teaching, learning, and research needs of the university, provide information services that meet customer needs, improve the collection of materials in Bahasa Melayu, provide infrastructure and knowledge environment in line with technological development, became a university repository institution. The vision of UCAM library is the library is determined to be the catalyst of a knowledgeable society. The mission of UCAM library is enhancing the culture of knowledge and efforts to uphold the Malay language as well as encouraging the energies of new knowledge. Okay, that's all my part, and my partner Liu Chengyu will introduce to you the second part. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Liu Chengyu. My metric number is 205121. I will introduce the second part, overview of project. Our information system is CCTV. CCTV is closed-circuit television. CCTV is an imagery communication system which refers to a TV system that transmits video in the specific area and only broadcast in fast loop equipment. About CCTV, I will introduce 3 parts. First is function. It's an environment and highly capable integrated system. By watching all the conditions of the monitor place, the TV monitoring system can also operate in conjunction with other security technology preference system. Number 2 is working principle. The on-duty personnel of the monitoring terminal are based on the received on-site images, make analysis and judgments quickly, report to the superior or immediately notify the security guard to rush to the scene to deal with it according to the per-designed or prescribed procedures. Number 3 is system maintenance. The basic maintenance conditions required for the normal equipment maintenance of the monitoring system are to achieve the 4 level, and that is complete spare parts, complete accessory, complete tools, and complete instruments. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Next person, please. Thank you.
My name is Yu Yishan. My metric number is 205126. The next part is business process. The value goal and the value operation of the UKM library is not to maximize profits, but the operation of the library requires a lot of investments to provide students with more books and resources. When we regard the library as a business entity, we can find that libraries have many structures and operating environments similar to those of enterprises, from information acquisition, classification and cataloging, circulation and regarding to reference, consultation, and so on. The series of interrelated information management and information series activities exist in a dynamic value chain system composed of information resources, suppliers, libraries, and users. Therefore, the entire business process of the library can be seen as a value chain that continues to add value. At the same time, the CCTV system can also help regard the entire business and information process. For the value chain of UKM library, I made a diagram. The information value chain of the UKM library can be divided into three parts: supply chain, value-added chain, and output chain. The process is from book or staff collect message to information classified, to information storage, to information database.
Hello everyone, my name is Benson Yu. My mention number is 205057. Okay, right now I'm gonna introduce my part. My part is IT components of the selected IS. Okay, for number one, that is hardware. The CCTV system of a UKM library involves hardware such as a video decoder, camera, distributor, matrix host, screen splitter, VCR, monitor, UPS, and so on. The role of the video decoder is to receive the front-end encoded image and decode it, and display it on the big screen or TV wall through its own video output interface HDMI output. So for number two is a software. The CCTV system of UKM library involves software for image acquisition system, alarm system, and transmission system. The image acquisition system is a process of extracting the optical image of the camera into a video signal by the image intensifier and passing it to the image acquisition card for digital processing to form digital image data for computer process and preservation. For number three is a database. The database involved in UKM library's CCTV system is a SQL server, a distributor relational database management system with a client architecture that uses the transacted SQL language to transfer client requests and server results between the client and server processing results. Okay, the slide is for number four. The number four is telecommunication networks. The UKM library's CCTV system involves telecommunication networks that are local area networks. LANs built using switches and routers. LANs are very dedicated and have a more stable and standardized topology. Okay, right now you can look at the flow chart. So that is simple, so I think you can understand it. So for saving time, I don't introduce one by one. Okay, thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Guo Kehong and my metric number is 201544. So next I will introduce about the threat and solution that UKM CCTV system has faces. So the type of the network security attack in UKM can be found in three types of attacks. The first one is the data exfiltrations, which also called the data theft. So it occurs when an attacker uses their unauthorized access to obtain private information from the network. And the second one is the insider threat, which come from the employee within the organizations, and the employee use their own access to infiltrate the network and obtain sensitive or private company informations. And the third one is the malware attacks. So the malware attacks occur when malicious code insert unauthorized software onto a network devices, and it's easy to spread but hard to remove. And so the solution of the network security attack in UCAM is also three ways. The first one is the antivirus softwares. So UCAM can upload the antivirus softwares that can scan the malicious program. And the second one is the firewalls. So UCAM can set the firewalls that can block the unsociated traffic from entering a network. And the third one is authentications. So we recommend UCAM can develop multi-factor authentications, which need the users to provide two separated methods of identification to log into an account. Okay, next I will introduce about the ethical, legal, and social issue and solutions. So as we found in the investigations, we found that the UCAM's biggest problem that they face is the privacy and confidentiality problem, which can divide it into three issues. So the first one is the ethical issues. Surveillance and informations can be collected by video recording, and UCAM information transmission may be used by criminals for ethical or infringing individual human rights and civil rights. So the solution of this is to enhance the cybersecurity and make the leak more less. And the second issue is the legal issue. So when the law requires the protection of the CCTV video, in this case, UCAM is asked to hand over the data, and there is no other options. So when this appears, UCAM should telling the student and the employees that their CCTV video will be uploaded to the authorities. And the third one is the social issue. So if the video is leaked to the outside world without authorization, it will infringe the privacy of students studying in the library. So this solution is to enhance the cyber security also. So that's all for my part. Thank you very much.